This video will demonstrate how to calculate percentage change. If you've watched some of my previous videos, you will have noticed that most of the questions that you will have done so far when working with percentages have been finding percentages. Find the percentage of this, find the percentage of that, increase something by a percentage or decrease something by a percentage. But in this video we're going to be looking at how change in true amounts can be expressed as a percentage. The formula I'm going to demonstrate today I call percentage blob, because if any time in a question you're asked to find the percentage something or express that as a percentage something, then this one formula can be used in all these circumstances. So for example, you could be asked to find the percentage change, or you could be asked to find the percentage profit, or the percentage increase, or the percentage decrease, or the percentage loss. All of these different things that you've been asked to find can be calculated using the same formula. I call it percentage blob formula. The way to calculate percentage blob is to find the actual blob. So if we're finding percentage profit, it's the actual profit. We're going to divide by the original amount, and this is before the blob occurred, so before the profit occurred, and then to make it into a percentage we're going to multiply by 100. In my videos, the only time you'll ever see me multiplying by 100 or dividing by 100 is for percentage blob, because I figure it's the easiest way to do it. So if you have a question that asks for percentage increase, then you will look for the actual increase. How much has one amount increased to make the other amount? You will divide by the original amount before the increase, and then you will multiply by 100. Let's look at an example. Yesterday I saw 8 naughty children, but today I only saw 3. What is the percentage decrease in naughty children? So yesterday I saw 8, today I saw 3. That's definitely a decrease. So let's write down our formula. Percentage blob is actual blob over original amount times 100, but this time the blob is decrease, percentage decrease. So we're looking for the actual decrease over original amount times 100. Now this is the thing that makes these questions a little bit challenging if you're the kind of student who likes to just put any numbers in any formula, because the top of this fraction will never appear as a number in this question, The top of the fraction always has to be calculated, either in your head or with a calculator. So what was the actual decrease? How many fewer children were referred to me yet today than yesterday? And we can quickly work that out as being 8 minus 3. The actual decrease in naughty children was 5. 8 minus 3 is 5. Now this is the other amount. The original amount also requires some thought, because you may be tempted to put the 3 in or the 8 in, but you need to know exactly what you're doing so that it works every time. So the original amount before the blob, before the decrease. So what was the number of naughty children before it decreased? Well, it was 8. So on our next page, we're going to, are we? Yes? No, there we go. The actual decrease, which is 5 children, the original number of children, naughty children that I saw was 8, and multiply by 100 to make it a percent. Now 5 divided by 8 into the calculator gives you 0.625, and you could just go piz and make it 62.5%, but times 100 will give you the same effect. So there was a 62.5% decrease in naughty children from yesterday to today. Isn't that a good thing? Let's have a look at the next page. I've got 2 questions here for you to try. I'd like you to pause the video and write these questions. You don't need to write the words, but certainly do write down the formula. So this one's a percentage profit, and this one is a percentage decrease. You might like to look at the previous example on the further back in the video if you'd like, but have a go at them and then start the video again and we'll go through the solutions. How did you go? Let's have a look at the answer to the previous Jamie's question. Jamie bought a bicycle for $55, did it up, and then later sold it for $90. What percentage profit did Jamie make? So we're asked for percentage profit. Let's colour that in. Asked for percentage profit. So we're going to write down that there as our percentage profit. That's equal to actual profit over original amount times 100. So how much money did Jamie actually make? Certainly made $90, but he paid $55 originally for the bike. So he actually made a profit of $35. So that's his actual profit here, $35. 90 minus 55. Then the original amount, and I've made a mistake here on my video. Oh my goodness. The original amount is not 90. What was I thinking? The original amount is $55. That's how much he originally purchased it for. So let's put $55 there, and that makes my answer here wrong. Better get the calculator out. So we've got 35 divided by 55 and multiply by 100 to make it a decimal. Sorry, I make it a percent, and I get 63.636363. 63.64, we'll round it to 63.64% profit. Dearie me, lucky I checked. Let's look at the next one. Oh, give yourself a pat on the back if you got that right, because I didn't. Let's look at the next one. Amy delivered 200 pamphlets today, not as many as the 250 she delivered yesterday. What was the percentage decrease in deliveries? So percentage decrease is what we're looking for. We can tell that by the question mark. We've got two numbers in this question. 200 today, 200 pamphlets today, and 250 yesterday. Now, I purposely put them like that, so I really wanted you to have your thinking hats on. So the percentage decrease is the actual decrease over original amount times 100. I'm really hoping you wrote that formula down. The more times you write it, the more likely your brain is to take it in. So what was the actual decrease? Well, she's delivered 50 fewer pamphlets today than yesterday. So 250 minus 200 is 50. Then what was the original amount? Now, the original amount, and I haven't made a mistake this time, it actually is correct, 250. The amount before the decrease, 250 before it decreased to 200. I purposely wrote those numbers the other way around to see if you were paying attention. 50 divided by 250, I'm pretty sure that's a fifth, times 100 is 20% decrease. How did you go? Better than I did, I hope. Thanks for watching my video. Watch the others as well.